Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am prepping some chicken that I'm going to make for dinner tomorrow. I've been finding myself running a little behind when it comes to dinner, so I'm trying to start preparing things the night before, so then all I have to do is put it in the oven. So here I have some chicken thighs, excuse me, and I have some onion, some mini sweet peppers, and then some cherry tomatoes. I like those cooked as well as raw, but I overshopped for those my last shopping trip. That's my baby in the background, sorry. I overshopped for the tomatoes last time, so I'm trying to cook some of them so they don't go bad. And then this here is really, really good. This brand of marinades I put on chicken, fish, anything, steak, anything you can think of, you can put them on there, vegetables. It just tastes really good. So I am going to clean the chicken and then cut up the onion. I'll leave the peppers and the tomatoes whole, and I'm going to toss that all into a bowl, drench it in the marinade, and I'm actually going to let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. The marinade, if you don't have time to let it sit overnight, you can just put it on whatever protein or veggies that you want to put it on, and then let it sit for like 15 minutes or so while you make your sides, and then put it in, and it's still really good. But the longer that you let it sit, it just really soaks up all the flavor, and it's really, really good. So I'm going to clean the chicken, and then I will be back to show you everything mixed up in a bowl ready to go into the refrigerator. So it's the next day and I've taken the chicken out of the refrigerator. As you can see, everything has been able to sit and marinate together. And so now I'm gonna take it out of here and put it into this glass baking dish, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for on 375, and I'm just gonna watch it as it goes. Baby girl's in the background. So I'm gonna put the chicken and the peppers in at the same time because I like the peppers to cook down and get really soft. I'm gonna save the tomatoes for like the last 5 minutes or so of cooking time, just so they can get a little bit blistered and cooked up. Hold on, Connor.
I don't like peppers.
You don't like peppers? Well, these are yummy. Okay, so let's go ahead and get everything put in the pan.
Just give me like peppers.
So now as you can see, I've put all of the chicken, the chunks of onion, and the peppers into the pan. And I'm gonna put this in the oven and let it cook down for a bit. And then like I said, when we get down to the last 5 minutes, I will take it out, put the tomatoes in, just so they can blister up a little bit, and then we'll be all set. Now as far as sides go, for sides for this, I'm gonna make some brown rice and then a little bit of broccoli because my son likes to have broccoli with his dinner. All right, I'll be back when it's all done and show you how it turned out. Okay, so here we are, fresh out of the oven. Everything is cooked up nice and good. Now, depending on how much marinade, as you can see earlier, I drizzled some of the extra marinade over top because I wanted to have it be a little bit juicy, because I'm gonna take that juice, add a little flour to it, and make like a sauce type gravy for the rice. So if you don't want as much juice in it, don't put the extra marinade over top of the chicken before you cook it. But yeah, it's all done. So I'm just finishing up the rice. My husband will be home soon, so we will eat. Just as a quick review of this marinade, it again is the LAWRY'S Caribbean Jerk marinade. It's really good. It's really easy. I like it because it's just one bottle. It has all the seasoning in it. I don't have to add anything to it, and the flavor is really good. I will say, they call it Caribbean Jerk. It has that kind of a flavor to it, but it's not spicy. Like, it's not a spicy jerk at all. It's more of a sweet base, but we all like it, so I do use it a lot. So if you are in your local grocery store, check it out. I actually picked them up from Price Right. I've seen them at Walmart. I'm sure they're everywhere, but go ahead and pick it up and give it a try and let me know how it turns out. See you next time.
This is Connor. Please subscribe and watch my videos.